Hi, this is Chris Garcia with Cobalt Digital. We're at this InfoComm Expo 2026. Today I'd like to show you one of our products, which is the rAVe 36x36 router. This product is a very practical, very low-key, that it has a lot of functionality, very flexible, that supports formats anywhere from SD all the way to 4K 12G. Essentially, it's a basic matrix routing that allows you to route any signal between source and destination. You can also use this to route any MADI audio signals throughout your facility. Because it's very compact, you can easily put it into a fly pack, into a small production truck, but you can also use it in the front of the house or back of the house, depending on if it's a Pro AV environment. It can easily accommodate multiple cameras, multiple different feeds that you may have, and you can easily monitor and configure this through a web UI that's very easy to access. Once you plug it in, you type in the IP address and you bring up all the controls for this matrix router. Very simple, not a whole lot to really configure. Once you have the sources, you just route the destinations, and that's really what it's meant to do, and that's really what it does. So again, this is the rAVe 36x36. We have it here at the InfoComm 2026. And again, this is Chris Garcia with Cobalt. You can find this router and other routers on our website at cobaltdigital.com. You can look for it as a rAVe 36x36, and then just look up any other rAVe product that we have. Thanks very much.